Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're unboxing eBay fidget spinners. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and put on post notifications so you can see my videos every day when I make videos. So yeah. So this is a box, and the fidget spinners are gonna come in here. But let's get this video to 50 likes. Okay. Wow, this fidget spinner looks very freaking cool. So fast. Okay, let's just put this right here. Sorry, I'm getting addicted to it right now. I just got these. Oh gosh. Wow, this smells really good. Let's see if I pop this out. I want to see if I can pop this out. Dang it, this guy. Okay, I'm gonna pop this back in. This is made with a white fidget spinner, but they just painted it. Okay. Oh, this one, I got this from my sister. I got this one from me. This one's from my sister, of course. Oh, this spins very good, actually. Oh, crap. Okay. That spins very freaking good. Okay. I think I ordered this one. Wow. 6, 8, 18. There's 18 balls, so it'll make it spin faster. Oh shoot. I'll make it spin faster. Okay, now we're gonna go on with the last one. This thing's stuck in there. Okay, so now the orange fidget spinner just came out. Okay, so, oh shoot, go wrong way. Okay, so this one's really good. So bye guys.